How to start working with little experience. This content is provided by theodorehenderson.com. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and follow us to get notified of new releases. One of the biggest challenges that some freelancers face is finding work. It can seem daunting to transition into a form of work that is uneven and, sometimes, inconsistent. You probably have existing skills from your work that can be applied to your new freelance venture, but you may not have much experience. This video will discuss some of the best methods for starting freelance work when you do not have much experience. 1. Gaining experience first. Many freelancers would not recommend shifting from full-time, regular work to becoming a full-time freelancer. Ideally, you should not quit your job for freelance straight away. Gaining experience will probably be your first goal as a freelancer, and it can be something that is done on the side to other work. You can build experience in your spare time, and then, once you feel secure in your work, as well as the number of your clients, you can become a full-time freelancer. There is no shame in starting out part-time. For some people, it is preferred. It allows you an insight into the lifestyle and responsibility, while still having the security of another source of income. 2. Working for free. It can seem very tempting to work for free to build experience. It can be an incredibly beneficial way to gain experience to fill your portfolio, and maybe it is something that will work for you, but it is not an effective method for everyone. However, it is important to be careful about working for free. Some clients will say, "Well, you worked for them for free, what about me?" This attitude can be hard to escape. There is a fine line between working for free to gain experience and devaluing your skills. Remember, at the end of the day, exposure does not pay the bills. If it is financially viable for you to work for free to build your portfolio, then, by all means, do so. But be careful of working for free for the benefit of exposure. After all, you cannot dine on exposure alone. See the link in the description for our special info piece, 30 freelance business ideas. 3. Work for less. While working for free may not be suitable, you will probably end up working for a lower wage. This is something that you should do. It will help you to gain reviews and clients, as well as experience and additions to your portfolio. When you do something for less than its value, it will also help you to appreciate the value more. You may decide that, after working for a lower wage than you would like, that the overall value of your work is higher, and you end up readjusting your final prices. Working for a lower price will help you to adjust to the lifestyle, and determine how long it actually takes you to complete a project. It is a good introduction to freelance life. 4. Gaining clients. One of the primary goals of business should be in client retention. When you are starting your business, there is a chance that you do not know any clients. Change that. Any interaction or work that you have should have the goal of building a long-lasting client relationship. Additionally, you can ask them to recommend your services to other people. By knowing and understanding your target audience, you can find clients. You should try to build up a database of clients that you can target and retain. 5. Cold contacting and pitching. While frowned upon in sales, for freelancers this can be a savior. Sometimes contacting clients shows initiative and puts your brand out in a positive way, especially if you show them. Learn how to pitch your services. Find possible clients, research them, and then send them an irresistible pitch. Putting yourself out there, especially if you are offering a lower price, is a great way to gain experience. It can also help you build long-lasting client relationships. 6. Be confident. At the end of the day, confidence is key. If you seem unsure or unconvinced of your business, then your audience will be, too. If you require more confidence in your service, consider taking a course in your area. This will bolster your professionalism, as well as making you seem more skilled and qualified in your area. However, if it is the business side of freelancing that you are unsure of, well, first of all, you are in the right place. But finding a mentor could be a fantastic option for you. In particular, if you find a mentor, or build a network of freelancers that are similar to you, both in industry or geographically, they could help you to navigate the legal side of your business, and provide you with relevant, specific advice. Visit theodorehenderson.com for complimentary resources and business tools.